So here is how we can edit the Excel sheet on the iPhone. If you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So let's say that you are inside of the Files app and you have some Excel files ready, right? So as you can see, I have this one, which is literally, if I hold down on it and click on Get Info, you can see that it is a spreadsheet made by Office, right? So as you can see, it is a Excel file, which I want to perform some changes to it. And it all depends on which apps you have available to make changes to it. So if I hold down on it, you can see I can click on Open With, and it gives me the ability to decide which app I want to open it up with. For example, there's the official Microsoft Excel app, which I have downloaded. I can click on it, get inside and work with the document. So I can go to these cells and make some changes to it, whatever I like, right? I can create a graphs and charts and use all of the features of the app. However, in here, you also have the ability to choose a different app. So if I click on Open With, I can also go and pick, for example, the Numbers made by Apple, which is the Apple's spreadsheet editor. So if you have that, you can also choose it like this and open up the same document using the Apple Numbers, right? So I'm going to go through it, set it up, and it's going to import it. And once it shows up in there, it will essentially give me the very same view. So I can click on Edit and perform some changes as such. So literally the same stuff, but using a different app, right? So that's how it would work, but using the Numbers app. But there are even more apps. For example, there is the Google Sheets, which you can get as well, which is yet another spreadsheet editor. But inside of the Files app, when I held down on it, you can see that in the Open With, we don't have the Google Sheets, and we have to actually get there through the Share section. So instead of Open With, we click on Share, and from the available apps, I'm going to click on More and find the Sheets right there, so the Google Sheets, and I can actually import the document to the Google app as well and essentially work with it the very same way. So as you can see, you can definitely work on the Office Excel files, and you can use even multiple platforms to edit the files. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. I'm going to wrap it up, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.